Hey guys, it is the 15th of December. Today we are going to try a Meister 45mm. Oh man, that's sticky. Let's see if we can open it. Try to say cheap. Alright, let's try it. Tensioner. Short hook. Should be enough. Just need to adjust the tension a little bit there. Because it falls down. There we go. Had to loosen up the tension a little bit and counter rotate with the pick to get a few pins down, and then on pin 4 it opened. I am not gonna try a rake, rock and zip in this because I'm very sure that the tensioner will fall down. I have to have it on that edge there, because if it falls down it locks up the core. So I'm 100% sure that if I rake, rock and zip it will fall down. But we can see if it's shielded though. When I've closed it. There we go. It is not shielded. So there we go. Let's get this on the tree. Yoo-hoo. Oh, there's a long way over there. Oh. That was far away, further than expected. But so far so good. What did I say that was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15th. Okay. 9 more to go. Woo! So far so good. I do have... let's see how many I actually have I haven't been able to open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 locks I have tried to pick and haven't been able to open so far. But all locks get 3 tries, and if I can't open them after 3 attempts, they go to my naughty bucket. Or I might try them next year again. Anyway, I only need 9 more, so 12 is way more than needed. Plus I do have some that I haven't tried yet. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.